Good afternoon, this is HurricaneCities.com with an update on your tropical weather. We're taking a look at 93L, which is located in the Central Caribbean. It's a modest region, intense thunderstorms associated with Invest 93L, and it's pushing off to the west and northwest. And it's a few hundred miles to the south of Hispaniola. This disturbance has the best chance ever to become Tropical Storm Alex that I've seen yet so far this year. We don't have any buoys near the center of circulation. There is low pressure that's being reported with ground studios or stations in that area. Also, we have the ESCAT satellite, which is over the Central Caribbean. And at 9:45 p.m. last night, it revealed that modest wind shift associated with 93L, but nothing at all close to the surface of circulation. The top surface winds that was reported with ESCAT was 15 to 20 miles per hour, and the water vapor loops show that 93L was embedded with a large region of moist air. The atmosphere around the Caribbean has been very moist over the past few days, which should develop 93L, and the wind shear is very low at 5 to 10 knots, with high wind shear associated with a strong subtropical jet stream off to the north in the Caribbean. It's just too far to interfere with the development of the system, but close enough to provide good outflow for the storm. Visible satellite loops are showing that high-level cirrus clouds are streaming away from 93L to the northeast, evidence that an upper-level outflow channel is developing to the storm to the north. Sea surface temperature is in their favor for 93L, with sea surface temperature at 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. And the Magellan-Julian Oscillation, which is the MJO, it favors the upward motion over the Caribbean, which also acts to increase the chances for tropical storm formation this week. The pattern has wet phase with large-scale rising and enhanced thunderstorm activity. It'll also move across the equator, that's along the intertropical convergence zone. All that stuff is moving west to east. So we do have a developing system going on in the Central Caribbean this afternoon, and some of the models are predicting it to turn into a tropical cyclone and possibly a tropical depression, and then a named storm, which will be Alex. When it gets into the southern Gulf of Mexico, that's when we're going to take a better look at it to see where the exact track will take it. And some of the models are taking it off toward Texas, and some of the models are taking it up to the north to the Gulf Coast. If the storm is going to be on the weak side, I'm saying that the storm will shift more to the west, which would be southern Texas and northern Mexico coastline. If it's going to be a stronger system, like a hurricane system of a category 1 to even a 3, then the folks along the northern Gulf Coast should pay very close attention, because this system would move more to the north. That's the latest I have for you this afternoon. It's 2:35. Have a great afternoon, and we'll keep you posted.